America 5288. Today we cut back, or we mowed over, the sweet potatoes because I didn't think there was anything there. So I'm walking along, he's finished and everything. And look at this. So there's something under there. There's two of them. So I'm going to dig. Got the shovel, right? So let's get to it. What? There's sweet potatoes in there. Oh no. Okay, so far, this is what I found. And I'm sure there's more in there. I'm just inexperienced with doing this. I found another vine over here sticking out of the ground. Apparently, the rabbits didn't get them all. They were underground and they couldn't get to them. So we are going to. We also cut off the onions. I'll dig them and see if there's anything in there. This soil is super rocky, but yeah, we have onions also. Man, I didn't realize they were here until now. I see them sticking up out of the ground. So let me go ahead and get them before the animals dig them up. I'm gonna put you on the other side, okay? So I basically got out what I put in as far as sweet potatoes go. I'm gonna put these in my basket. Even if they're sweet potatoes, I can use them to make indoor plants. Indoor plants. And these, I'm going to put them into a tote. There's probably more under here, but it's getting dark and I'm not going to be able to see. But here we go. And so I went out there and I got what I could get out of the ground for the sweet potatoes. But you know, Miss Jamaica, I do not give up. I don't give up. Look at that. I'm gonna use these sweet potatoes. Even if it's for a house plant. I'm gonna seat this thing just like I did initially. Make a little trench. Get it nice and comfortable. I'm gonna seat this thing in some wet soil. This is what I got right here. This is what I got. I got what I put in. I got a couple of seed potatoes. I got a couple of big ones. I'm using the big one. I can use the small ones too. I'm gonna use these bad boys and I'm gonna get some out of this. Even if it's house plants. You can have sweet potato leaves are edible, by the way. And I never got to taste any, so we're gonna do this. It does not have to be in season for me. I'm gonna keep that one. These two seed potatoes that got roots on it, guess what? Right there, just above the soil. I don't give up, not that easy. And guess what I'm gonna do? The same thing I did before. Water it. Here go another seed potato. Water it and wait. That's what I'm gonna do. Now these little ones, they might not be much, but I'm gonna keep these two. I broke this one by accident with the shovel, but I can still cut off the bad part and eat it. It is Meatless Monday, after all. So I got these things all comfy in here. And I'm gonna put it right there where it was before and wait for it to germinate again. These two I'm gonna eat. So I actually got back more than I had because that is what I use to germinate and grow these. So I'm gonna get some more slips out of there and I'm gonna take those slips and I'm gonna put those in indoor pots. Cause I'm gonna get my money's worth. I just don't give up like that. This is Jamaica 5288. Never give up on your crops. I'll go back out there tomorrow and see if there's some more underground. I'm sure there are. I'm sure I missed some, but because I almost missed these. I told him that today, I said, hey, just mow it down because it looks horrible. And I thought the rabbits ate everything, and I was wrong. These are underground crops. What was I thinking? Anyway, I got these and those out of the ground, and I'm going to get what I put in. I'm going to get what the devil tried to take from me. Here we go. I'm holding them together. That one's broken, but you know what? I'm going to fix that. What am I going to do with you?